What's up, guys? It's Z400 Kid here. I'm just going to show you 2017's firework stash. So, I got Jack in the Box by TNT Fireworks. I think they spin, it shoots out spinners. I'm not totally sure, but I got 2 of them. And then we got Pirate Barrels by Cutting Edge Fireworks. Skull brand. I really like these ones. These are basically just crackle the whole time. Got, I don't know, 5 of them, something like that. And then I got a whole bunch of ground bloomers from Phantom Fireworks. They just spin on the ground. 11 packs of jumping jacks by TNT. They spin too, mostly just spinners in this little stash, but I got Shazams. These are really cool. They spin up in the air. I don't know. I really like these ones. And then I got a couple mortars from my friend. These are from the Excalibur series. It's World Class Fireworks. Then I have 11 packs of these, 12 packs of these Wolfpack crackling sparklers. By Phantom Fireworks. Then I got these right here. These are called Crack the Whip. These are just have a whole bunch of little cracklers in them. You light them and they just kind of, they kind of spark and boom. Yeah, that's just all the sparklers. Joker string bombs. It's just you pull them and they kind of explode. You pull both the ends and it explodes. These are by Phantom. And then I got some other stuff from previous years. There's that other mortar right here by World Class, and then just some Black Cat little mini dynamite things. And then I think these are 100 strings. Yep, I got 200 strings. These Black Cats. And I got a couple bottle rockets laying around here. Just Black Cats. Yep, that's it. Alright, guys, well, yeah, that's it. So, and some homemade firecrackers. These are from a 22 shell. Sorry, it's out of focus. Come on, focus. Focus. Come on. Alright. These are just punks and some wax. And then match heads and a couple other things. But then you put them in a 22 shell. I'm not sure how good they work. I've never actually lit one off. And then I took a 45 shell right here. And got a bunch of stuff in there. But, yep, that's it. Well, that's it, guys. You know what to do, because I don't know how to do. Oh! God, no, it's not. I got some Black Cat extra large California candles. These just kind of spark. Yeah. And you hold them. And then got some other stuff over here. Let's see here. Alright, this is a modified smoke bomb. It's just kind of like, it used to come in this, but then, I put caulk sealant in it and stuff and made it a lot better. But then, now I have another one of those, Black Cat California candles. And then, this is Booby Trap by Brothers. It's a fountain, Flippin Fire by Cutting Edge. Yeah, it's another fountain. These are all fountains, but, we got Superior Seaweed by Black Cat, Bug Zapper by Black Cat, and Big Cat by Black Cat. And yes, it is it. Alright, I'm done. Like I said, you guys know what to do, because I seem to forget, what to say. So, yeah, alright, well, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.